Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a bill here in Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your Zoho Books account. Now go ahead over to purchases. Okay, in here, as you can see, we have bills. Click on it or click on the plus sign. Depends on you. Just click on it. Now click on new right here at the top right. Now select the vendor name or the vendor for whom you are recording the bill. Okay, let's say, for example, we have here the sample vendor. Okay, now the bill number, go ahead and add in a bill number. For example, 5-1 right here, or I'm just going to copy the bill number, the bill date. Okay, do not forget about the bill date. Scroll down, give it a subject. Okay, for example, your bill is due. Scroll down. If you want this one to be tax exclusive or inclusive, select from one of these options. Okay, now enter your item. Scroll down, select the tax if you have it set up under your settings, okay, or your tax portal, and you have the customer detail right here. For example, Mr. Ryan Tristan. Scroll down, add in a discount if you want to, and it's some adjustments. If you want to add in some files, click on upload file right here and some notes. And once done, click on save as open. And after that, you just sent the bill. Okay, this bill right here will be sent via email. So if the vendor pays it, you can now go ahead and click on record payment right here. Payment made, the amount, bank charges, payment mode, could be cash, bank transfer, payment date. It could be the same date. Okay, payment made on 25 as well. Pay through could be a petty cash or one of your bank accounts. Okay, reference number. Once done, save as paid, and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.